Justin Vakula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast outside of the Cathedral of Barcelona here in Spain. Walking through a very busy day, recording at the beginning of May. This is a Friday. They're promoting Gothic Fest, Festa Major del Gothic 2025. See various alleyways. You can walk in this area to see more of the cathedral, get a zoomed out view up above. You can see the very interesting architecture throughout the tower or the steeple. At the bottom, you can see some of the older brick design. Several letters at the base here, and lots of vendors selling all kinds of different wares, art, photos, Mercat Gothique. So it's the Gothic market or Gothic merchant, I suppose. We'll get a little bit closer to the cathedral, see up close. Wow, really impressive doorway area, several layers deep. See the structures up top, people walking at higher area. See the different types of glass and the design that it makes. Nice view from the bottom of this Gothic cathedral here in Barcelona, Spain. Some people, part of the architecture as well from the bottom. You can see as we get closer, hopefully not getting some copyrighted music in the back. Some music going on in the square area. Museum on this side. So get up close and see the nice architecture. Even from the side, some of the designs around the windows, a catwalk or a balcony, and more of the design. So really nice. It's a cool day in Spain. Maybe about 60 degrees. Definitely wearing a hoodie today rather than just walking without one. Getting closer to the door area, walking up stairs. See security up there as well. From below, you can see the city square. All people walking about, a hotel in this area, more vendors, people walking around selling things as well. So really cool. Again, nice day in Barcelona, Spain. Take a 360 view of the square, of the area of the cathedral. Justin Vakula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off.